students, today we are going to study simple past. As the word itself suggests, it means the speaker tells about the activity that took place in past, यानी भूतकाल. Activity complete हो चुकी है. So simple past is used to express an action wholly completed at some point. For example, I bought mangoes yesterday. Next, it is also used to express habitual action in past. For example, he read newspaper every day. Third, it is also used to express condition or unreal past. For example, if I wish I had garden like yours. And you know, we use simple past in storytelling also. For example, once upon a time there lived a king. And it is also used to express historical fact. For example, Babur fought Battle of Panipat, or India won freedom in 1947. So these are the conditions in which we use simple past, and the way to identify or the adverbs or adverbial phrases that can be used in simple past are yesterday, this morning, last year, then, earlier, and so on. And many times dates are also mentioned. For example, India got freedom in 1947. So these are the conditions in which we use simple past. Now I am going to tell you about the formula. The formula of simple past is very simple, as the word itself suggests. Simple past, it means we use past form of verb or second form of verb. So the formula for simple past is subject plus second form of verb ... And this formula is used for affirmative sentence. So if I write a sentence according to this formula, it would be like this. She wrote a letter. It seems very simple when we study using formula or we study through formula. But if I simply rub this with a blank and give you to fill this blank, then what would be the answer? It could be writes, wrote, is writing, will write, or anything. It means since it is not mentioned, it has not been mentioned which condition is there, so we can fill any of these verbs. So what is the condition when we will write second form of verb in this blank? So we need to see the adverbs following the sentence. For example, if I give you sentence like this, she dash write a letter yesterday. Now this adverb of time makes it clear that you can only fill wrote here. She wrote a letter yesterday. So this is how we write affirmative sentence in simple past tense. It is very good that we use second form of verb with all the subjects, whether it is first person, second person, or third person. So I taught you last week. They played football. And you can add adverbs. Now I am going to change this sentence into interrogative and negative sentence. So as you remember, we used do and does in simple present. Do or does for simple present, but here we will use did. Did helping verb is used to frame negative and interrogative sentences. So this formula would become like this: subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb. See, this is the most important thing. You have already used the second form of do, so you should not repeat the second form here. So it should be subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb. Dot dot dot. So according to this formula, the sentence would be like this. She did not write a letter yesterday. And if I need to change this into interrogative, we have to simply shift this did before subject. The formula would become like this. Did plus subject plus first form of verb again, as I told you. When we have already used this, so we need not repeat. Did plus subject plus first form of verb dot 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 and question mark. So according to this formula, the sentence would be like this. Did she write a letter yesterday? And question mark. This is how we write sentences of simple past tense. And the mistake which is often